Hi, today in this video there are some indoor plant decorating ideas. These are in these pictures. There are some of the ideas which could be adopted in the home if you people are fond of the plants, indoor plants. So from this video you can get the idea of the plants, that what type of indoor plants you can have in home, and also how to decorate them, because these have been decorated in very different ways, sometimes in shelves, sometimes in planters, sometimes in, so different type of planters ideas you can have from this video, as well as you can have the idea how to decorate them in different corners of the home. For example, in shelves there are different types of shelves are there, and different type of planters are there. So even the idea of the planters you can have that, because the planter, if your planter is beautiful, if your planter is good, nice looking, so the beauty of the plant is enhanced. So here you could see different planters too, and from them you can have the idea, as well as you can see where to put, different type of plants in home to make them look more beautiful, right? So the place where we put the plant and the planter in which we put them, they all contribute in the beauty of the plant as well as of the space. So here in this video I have selected some pictures to share the indoor plants decorating ideas. So I hope you would like them, and you could see these are very different type of ideas and very nice ideas. So whoever have I always give the credit to them who have ever taken the pictures, who have decorated these things. All their people should be appreciated, and I have collected these pictures for this very sake, that if they could help we people to make our homes more beautiful and have the idea, that different ideas of decoration. So here these are the indoor plant decoration ideas, different ideas. So I hope you would like them, and I hope they will help you to decorate your home. So thank you.